Welcome to episode 20 of JNN.
Today we'll welcome this month's Teacher of the Month,
Interview students at LMS about their spring break,
and cover the MAP Reward Assembly.
I'm Annabelle.
And I'm Olivia.
This is JNN, the show with interesting topics
and even more interesting people.
This month, Ms. Goins is Teacher of the Month.
I teach 6th grade math. I've taught 22 years at LMS. If I could pass any wisdom on to my students, it would be to do what you love what you do, and to finish what you start. If I didn't teach math, I would teach science. I love science. My favorite part of teaching math is interacting with students. What inspires me is the love of teaching and just interacting with students on a day-to-day basis, and then just seeing students years later as they grow up with families of their own.
For JNN, I'm Hadley King.
And I'm Anna Kinnett. Congrats to Mrs. Goins for being the Teacher of the Month.
Hope you have a great retirement.
You've made a huge impact on your students.
Now let's see how spring break went for the students. What did you do for spring break?
I went to see family in Kansas. What about you?
I went to the beach. Aren't I so tan?
Sure, not burnt at all.
Yep, let's see the map test assembly.
For this episode of JNN, we interviewed Mr. Nelson about the reward party.
So at the MAP Reward Party at the racetrack, all of the students that earn the right will get to go over there. We'll travel over in waves. Once we get there, there are going to be 2 races that are held. So there'll be one at the start of when everyone arrives, and then at the end, we'll wrap up with the big race to kind of finish the day off. While they're there, there's going to be some stuff that students can buy. So they'll need to bring some money. There'll be some food, some ice cream, things like that they'll have for sale there from the concessions. The exciting thing about this one is the fact that students have the opportunity to be drawn for VIP status. And if they're drawn for the VIP status, then they get free hot dogs, free drinks, and some other things that go along with that. They also get to hang out for the day if they want, or go in and out of some air-conditioned suites. So they have their own box that they get to hang out in.
For JNN, I'm Paul Taylor.
Wow, that map test assembly was fun.
Yep, kids, remember to take your time. If you take your time, you'll succeed. That's all for today.
See you next time.
Bye.
Here we go.
1, 2, Guys, what are you doing? Stop dancing. Nobody's getting married today. Put cash down.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Why would you go?